I'm Kate Hampton and I'm playing Gretchen.
Hi, my name is Kim Hausler and I play Gloria.
Hello, I'm Angela Sauer and I'm Gabriela.
Hi, I'm Gloria. Fly me.
Everyone gets warmth, friendship and extra care. And someone may get a wife.
We make you feel good all over.
Our first-rate movies are so interesting. We hope you're not missing the other attractions on board.
We really move our tail for you.
We'll fly you like you've never been flown before.
Fly the friendly skies.
Fly the friendly skies.
Fly the friendly skies.